Hi friends, in this lecture we have to discuss about the bond order, bond strength, bond length and type of the magnetism. This topic is very important for CSIR NET examination, JEE examination, NEET, MSc Entrance as well as a IIT JAM. So first one is a bond order. How to calculate the bond order? When the electron sum of that molecule is a 10, then the bond order of that molecule is a 1. First, we have to remember the bond order of the electron sum having the 14. When the electron sum of that molecule is 14, then the bond order of that molecule is a 3. And here, from 14, here the bond order is a decreases, and also here the bond order is decreases by 0.5 on the both side, above and below. So here the bond order is start to decrease by 0.5. Start to decrease by 0.5 from 14, from electron number 14, electron sum 14. Then, but there is a one exception. In the CO plus electron, the sum is a 13, because the C having a 6 electron and oxygen having a 8 electron minus 1. The charge is a plus 1, but when it is comes in the LHS side, so it is a minus 1, and electron sum is equal to 13. According to 13, this molecule should have the bond order is a 2.5, but in actual bond order of that molecule is a 3.5. So this is the exception for a bond order. Then we have to see the relationship between the bond length and bond order. Relation between the bond length and bond order is a inverse relation. Means what? When the bond length is a increases, then bond order is a decreases of that molecule. So third relation, when the bond strength is increases, then the bond order is also increases, because the relation between the bond strength and bond order is directly proportional. Then next point we have to see the magnetism. There are two types of magnetic nature. For example, first one is a diamagnetic and second one is the paramagnetic. When the electron sum of that molecule is a even, then the nature of that molecule is a diamagnetic nature, and when the electron sum is a odd, then the nature of that molecule is a paramagnetic in nature. But there is also one exception. When the electron sum of that molecule is a 10 or 10 and 16, then this molecule is a paramagnetic. For example, we can take the example of that molecule is a B2 and O2. Electron in the B2 is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the example of this is the nature of that molecule is a paramagnetic. And also the electron in the O2 is 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. This molecule is also paramagnetic due to the electron sum of 10 and 16. Now we have to discuss about the some examples. We have to give some examples like a Cn minus, CO, NO, Cn, O2, and we have to ask to find out the highest bond order, then species having a same bond order, then the lowest bond length, lowest bond strength, and paramagnetic character. First, we have to calculate the electron sum of this molecule. Sorry, here there is a minus 1 charge. So the electron sum of that molecule is a 14. Cn minus molecule is a 14. So the bond order of that molecule is a 3. And in the CO molecule, carbonyl molecule, the electron sum is a 14. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. And bond order of that molecule is a 3. And in the NO molecule, the bond order of that molecule is a 2.5. In this cyanide molecule, the bond electron sum of that molecule is a 13. So the bond order of that molecule is a 2.5. And in the oxygen and in the O2 molecule, the electron sum of that molecule is 16. So the bond order of that molecule is a 2. So first we have to see the highest bond order. Means this is the highest bond order from that molecule. Means these molecules having a highest bond order, that is the Cn minus and CO molecule having a highest bond order. Then second question is the species having a same bond order. There are four species, two species having a same bond order. First one is a Cn minus and CO, and second one is a NO and Cn minus, because bond order of that molecule is a 2.5 and bond order of that molecule is a 3. So there are two different molecules. Then we have to see the third question, that is the lowest bond length. We know that the relation between the bond length and bond strength, bond order, is inversely proportional. So it is the inversely proportional, means when the bond order is a more, then the bond length is a low. So we have to see the molecule having a low bond order, means this is the molecule having a low bond strength, and the name of this molecule is a O2. Answer of this question is a O2. Then the lowest bond strength. Now we know that the relation between the bond strength and the bond order. So when the bond order is increases, then the bond strength is also increases. So we have to see the which molecule having a highest bond order, and this is the answer of that question is molecule having the highest bond order is Cn minus and CO. Means the answer of that, sorry, this is the highest bond answer. Here lowest bond strength means for the lowest bond order. So this molecule having the lowest bond order, so this is the molecule of the lowest bond strength. So answer of this question is O2. Then we have to see the paramagnetic characters. The molecule having a odd electron sum, it is known as the paramagnetic molecule. So here is the odd electron sum, and in the Cn molecule there is also odd electron sum. But there is also one exception. The molecule having a 16 electron and 10 electron are the paramagnetic in nature. So this molecule having the paramagnetic nature. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you.